Right, 40:39 now leaves South Hylton with service of South Gosforth. Sorry for the camera quality blurring out, the sun's in the way. .4039 to 4082. Right now coming in is a terminating service from South Gosforth, and it's been my train to Sunderland. Was going to be Pelaw, but I've had to axe it for a reason. And my mum, who's with me, is not very happy about that because she hates Sunderland Station. She despises it. We've got 4011 on 104. Sorry? Yeah. 4011, which I swear is coming in slower than they normally do, although it might just be the normal speed. I know they do come in very slowly here, but I don't know this slowly. 4011 to 4080, no, 38. And that'll be it, I think. We might even be in for an empty car here. If they all get on the front. No, they're getting on the back, right.